Hello everyone. Today, we have some exciting news from Windsor, Ontario. Stellantis has unveiled the first all-electric Dodge Chargers, rolling out of Windsor Assembly Plant, the city's iconic facility and largest employer with over 4,200 employees. David Belair, plant manager, shares about this important milestone. Windsor Assembly is known across North America for the quality and consistency of everything we produce. And now, what's even more exciting is that we're building a new product line, the all-electric Dodge Charger. In particular, David highlights the uniqueness of the production line here. What's really cool is that you can see minivans sitting next to sports cars on the same assembly line. With a history of nearly 100 years, the Windsor Assembly Plant is not only the pride of Stellantis, but also of the city of Windsor. This is the clearest proof of the outstanding creativity and adaptability in the modern automobile manufacturing industry. Let's take a look at the Dodge Charger Daytona, a high-performance electric sports car with a modern design, sophisticated interior and advanced technology, ready to launch and affirm its leading position in the electric vehicle era. Production of the Dodge Charger is currently in full swing at the Stellantis Windsor Assembly Plant, which is located in Ontario, Canada. We are talking, in this case, about a plant with an impressive area, which is mainly known for being the production center for the Chrysler minivan line. Despite the fact that it is a rather infamous site, probably not everyone is aware of the fact that back in 1975 the same plant had assembled the fourth generation of the Dodge Charger, flanking it with the very famous Chrysler Cordoba, which was a huge success at the time. So, we are by no means talking about just any factory that produces cars, but a manufacturing center of some significance. Windsor accelerates for production of new Dodge model. The plant right now is particularly focused on accelerating work to prepare for the launch of the new four-door Dodge Charger. In fact, the current forecast is that its production startup should be scheduled for the first quarter of 2025. This new model shares the same STLA large platform and much of the body design with the two-door version, although the main difference lies in moving the B-pillar to the rear. This important detail will make it possible to transform the Dodge Charger into a decidedly authentic sedan, making a more versatile option available to everyone and suited to the needs of a wider audience. Just a few days ago, Stellantis released a video showing the various stages of production of the new Dodge Charger at the Windsor plant. The video that was released obviously does not offer a complete view from the beginning to the end of the production process, but the main moments can still be noted. Although Dodge originally planned to begin deliveries of the Dodge car this summer, due to some delays the first customers will not receive their cars until early 2025. Congratulations to the entire team at the Windsor Assembly Plant for this important milestone. The cars not only demonstrate the spirit of innovation, but also help to consolidate Windsor's position on the global automotive map. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned for more exciting news about the automotive industry in the future. Goodbye and see you again.